Well, that was all about our products. That was back when I worked in supply chain as well. Yeah. So the challenge that we had back then was that we had a lot of issues with our product data that we sent to our customers and consumers. And I worked with our commercial departments on numerous occasions to really help them to gather all the data around the products that they needed to the market. So we wanted to find a solution that increased the quality of our product data as well as increased our internal efficiency. And that's where we started. But when we started to look a bit deeper into this, we also realized that to be able to have good product data, we need to have better data around ingredients, packaging materials, suppliers, etc., the production process. The full supply chain was affected. So that's why we decided to go for a full MDM solution. And then when we started to build it, we started off with a small solution. We started off with a small solution with around our product data and some key data points on it. And then we built it out step by step to today cover the full MDM, suppliers, ingredients, packaging material, all the way up to the products that we sell to our customers. Well, the short answer is, it was a beautiful ride. I have worked with a lot of different IT suppliers over the years, connected to ERP systems, other reporting systems, etc. And when I think back about the collaboration that I had with Nexer and Stibo Systems in that implementation, I really think back at them as the role models I look for in new IT suppliers. So why do I say that they are such a role models? Well, it's about three things. First of all, it's about their focus on value for you as a customer. Because they have an amazing platform that can do a lot. But what they really set out to do in our implementation project was to find the right balance of what the system could do and what we needed as a company and what we need to deliver to our customers. The second part is all about their professionalism. They were always with their eyes on the targets, being proactive, coming prepared to meetings and workshops. And it's easy to be professional when things are going well, right? But when things are not going well, you can see the true professionalism in different companies and people. And we actually had a couple of moments during the implementation that didn't look that right. And what amazed me back then, and still do, is how both Stibo Systems and Nexer came into those discussions with their full professionalism and make sure to find a solution for us. And thirdly, I would also like to point out that they are challengers. They ask questions, they listen, but they do not only do what we tell them to do. They make us think and ask questions again, like, have you thought about this way? Could we do it in another way? And that's a real good thing to do when you are an IT system suppliers, because you always have a lot of ideas as a customer. I want this, this, and this. But sometimes you need to have someone else asking you those extra questions. And they always did that with the respect that the decision was always in the hand of Oatly and the implementation team. Yes, the next steps, working with sustainability data and our MDM solution. It's about continuing the journey we are on with our MDM solution and securing the data through our supply chain, supplier, ingredients, packaged material to the final products. But also looking a bit more deeper into something that we already discussed during the first implementation, which is sustainability data. Already when we did the first implementation, we started discussing with the sustainability team what data do we need to cover the needs for sustainability. And we got the basics in. And now we're taking that one to the next level, really going through our ingredients and packaging material. what data do we actually need. And here it's all about it could be the full content of our ingredients, the country of origin, the transport routes, the type of transport used for it, and maybe the reusability of the packaging material. We have a long list of data that we would like to capture and gather through our MDM solution. Well, I think about an example here from how we are working at the moment to start with. All the way since I started working with sustainability, I had a dialogue with our digital product manager for our MDM solution. Asked him, hey, I need this data. Do you have it? Can you help me put that one into reports so I can easily access it? And they have always been supportive and cooperative in supporting me with it. But what they also have done is that they have put sustainability as a core part of their roadmap. So now they are working on the next step of the roadmap for the MDM solution. They're proactively engaging us and asking us, what do you need from sustainability to really cover all the data needs in the business? So in short, it's about these three things. Encourage cooperation and cross-departmental cooperation. Number 2, make sure to put sustainability as a core part of your digital products roadmaps. And thirdly, connect with your ESG strategy. What have you actually set out to do in your ESG strategy? And think about how can you connect that to your digital products and your MDM solution.